In our last videos we talked about how to create jobs in nets using BatchMan. In this video, you will be able to learn how to schedule a BatchMan order. Orders are used to execute jobs in nets. BatchMan offers several order types. Today we will talk about the STD order, which stands for the standard order. Standard orders cover objects which are jobs in nets, and execute them on a daily basis. Unlike other order types, in STD orders all maintenance is done inside the objects themselves. Typically, you only need to run 1 or 2 STD orders, since you may want to see all the jobs in nets summed in one large graphic. Let's take a look at how to create a STD order. The most common standard orders can simply be called night and day. First of all, open the BatchMan Explorer with J5HEN. Navigate to Customizing, then go to Basic Customizing, and start Order Types. Choose Daily Standard Order and type here, Day, as an example in the extension. Click the New button. Enter the description and ensure that Display in Help and Creatable are checked. Now save and close the transaction. Next, the STD order, Day, needs a shift plan to know when to collect all objects, checking them and starting the execution for that day. Now find the STD plan, shift plan and start it. Select the STD order we just created. Type in the valid from date and hit the new button to generate a new shift plan. Select a valid to date. Set your time zone as CET for us in Germany. Now, check all the boxes and times according to when you want to generate, check, release and start your day plan. Afterwards save and you are done. Now BatchMan will collect all the objects for that shift plan at generation time and see if they are valid for that day. Thanks for watching. For any questions, contact us now.